Do your eyes get tired easily? Or have you been feeling that your memory isn't as strong as it used to be? Today, I'm sharing a very simple natural remedy known for supporting eye health and brain function, thanks to its rich content of vitamin A and omega-3 fatty acids. If you're ready, let's get started. This recipe follows general wellness guidelines. Carrots are a great source of beta-carotene, which is friendly to the eyes. Walnuts contain healthy fats that are important for brain health. Here are the ingredients: 2 peeled carrots, 50 grams of walnut kernels, 1 lemon, used with the peel, but make sure to remove the seeds, 1 tablespoon of olive oil to support absorption, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Preparation: place all the ingredients in a blender and mix until smooth. Transfer the mixture into a glass jar, close the lid tightly, and store it in the refrigerator. You can consume 1 tablespoon of this natural mixture about 2 hours after dinner. With regular use, it may help support your body's vitamin needs, ease eye fatigue, and promote mental clarity. If you try this recipe, let's meet in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. This recipe contains honey and acidic ingredients like lemon. If you are allergic to honey, have stomach sensitivity, or have a chronic condition, be sure to consult a healthcare professional before using this remedy. Stay healthy. Stay